If you want to learn a program with an easy step-by-step course, you're in the right place. Here, you will learn Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. With Python, you can build software, web applications, games, IoT systems, you can do statistics, data science, machine learning, and much more. And here's the best part. Python is probably the easiest language to learn. It is not required to have any background in IT or programming to take this course. It was made for anyone that wants to learn a program in an easy and fun way. In the course, we will cover the basic fundamentals that will make you think like a programmer. We will talk about variables, data types, conditionals, loops, functions, and much more. Then, you will learn how to use Python to read and write on files like Excel sheets, CSV, or text files. You will learn how to work with JSON and make HTTP requests to a web server. We will cover a little bit of data visualization, statistics, and an introduction to machine learning in Python. We will have short lessons from 5 to 8 minutes, so you can learn step by step, and we will have multiple challenges and exercises so you can put into practice everything you learn. In the end of the course, you have to complete a project in which you will build your own Python program from scratch. You will post it online so me and other students can use it. I would love to see what you can do with Python. All you have to do is click Enroll and you have instant, lifetime access to the course, so you can study anytime you want at your own pace. With this course, you will get a certificate of conclusion, and Udemy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn a program. I'll see you in class.